Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn two ways to create an online course with PowerPoint and automate.video. Let's begin. An online course can take various forms. It can be lecture-like, where the students only read or listen to a lesson on a specific topic. For instance, a history course about World War II. For this type of course, the students don't need to engage much, they just must be attentive. Within this case, the transform content option in automate.video might be a good solution. It saves time and works well for display presentations with just text and pictures. On this example, the presentation is awful at first sight, but it's not a problem, because it has text and images, which are all the necessary elements that automate.video needs to transform it into an engaging video thanks to the transform content option. Let's see the result.